Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss CBSE Class 10 Maths Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry, the 10th question in exercise 7.2. So this is the last question children. So we'll do this. Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. Okay, so here they are talking about a rhombus. So we'll name the rhombus as A, B, C, D and all these are named in order. So I can take A as 3, 0, B as 4, 5, C as minus 1, 4 and D as minus 2, minus 1. They're asking us to find out the area. So area of the rhombus is half the product of its diagonals. So you need to try to remember this children. It will be easy for you. So we need the value of the diagonals here. Okay, so we need the value of AC and we need the value of BD. How can we find AC and BD? By using the distance formula. So hope you remember the distance formula children. So while you are doing it, you do it as AC square is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So here for AC, I am going to take this as x2, y2 and this as x1, y1. So this will be, so x2 is what? 3. So it will be 3 minus x1 will be minus of minus 1. So it will be 3 plus 1 the whole square plus 0 minus 4 the whole square. So this will be 3 plus 1 will be 4. So 4 square plus this again it's going to be minus 4 the whole square. So it will be 16 plus 16. So it should be root 32 or I can write it as 2 into 16. So which will be 4 root 2. Okay, because root 16 is 4. So for root 2 you can have only root 2. So this is my AC. Okay, this is not for AC. If you're doing it as square, the square root should not be there. If you're doing only as AC, it will be like this. So I'll do it with BC square, BD square here. Both will be same only children. If I'm going to write as BD square, the formula will be x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here again I am taking this as x2, y2 and this as x1, y1. So here x2 minus x1 will be 4 minus of minus 2, 4 plus 2 the whole square plus 5 minus of minus 1, 5 plus 1 the whole square. So it will be 6 square plus 6 square. So which will again be 36 plus 36. Okay. So here this will be again 2 times 36. Okay, so again I can say, I can write it even simply as 2 into 36. So which will be, so this is for BD. Okay, this is for BD. Till BD square, we are not using the root here. So here it is BD. So which will be 6 root 2. That is going to be BD. Now we will use the formula. For area it is what? Half into product of its diagonals. So half into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2. So 2's are 4. Okay. So here the answer it will be 2 root 2 into 6 root 2. So it will be 6 2's are 12 into 2 which will be 24 square units. Remember to write the units also children. Since it is area, it will be square units only. So this is how we'll have to do children. Hope you all remember the formula which we learned. So you need to remember the distance formula, the section formula, and in section formula you have one with m1 is to m2, another one with k is to 1, another one for midpoint formula where it is going to be 1 is to 1. Okay. So if you remember all this, it's going to be easy for you. So we'll just do a quick recap. So distance formula, it will be AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Section formula x comma y will be m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Same thing for x comma y, you can have k, you can have with k is to 1. So where you will substitute the same formula, where you have m1 you will have k, here you will have 1. So similarly here k1 k1, and the next formula will be midpoint formula. It will be x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. One more thing you need to remember is the properties of the shapes. So properties of the basic shapes you need to remember. Only then it will be easy for your children. So please go through all these. So these are the important things which you need to remember. If you go through all these, it will be easy for you to solve the questions in this chapter very easily. You can very easily score marks also, children. So please don't lose the marks which you have for the questions which comes from this chapter. See you again with the new chapter in the next video, children. Thank you, children.